One more, pro tip I want to give.
Yeah.
Go into social media. For a long time, I thought, do restoration companies need a social media presence? Does it need to be a part of their overall digital advertising and marketing strategy? I told you earlier, 2020 is what kind of convinced me they do. And a lot of these guys are potentially blowing it. Their personal brand, like themselves personally, or their brand, their business brand, with some of the stuff they're putting out. But, and those are the extreme examples. For any company doing social media, here's my advice. Do not talk about what you do. No one cares. No one reads it. Okay, maybe grandma cares, maybe your mom cares, but no one in the public cares about the thing that you do. What people care about and what they engage with are stories.
Yeah.
Talk about what you're doing in your community. Talk about your people. Make your people heroes on your Facebook page or your Instagram page. Talk about what people have said about you in the past. Just take a review and highlight that.